Hi everyone, welcome back to J.O.A.T Solutions. I'm excited to talk about a topic that can open the door to a whole new income stream without the hassle of getting a commercial driver's license. It's called the non-CDL trucking blueprint. Before we dive in, let's clear up what non-CDL means. In the US, you need a commercial driver's license when you're driving a truck or combination vehicle with a gross combined weight over 26,000 pounds. If you stay under that limit with a cargo van or a medium-duty box truck, you can operate legally without a CDL, but you still need to follow Department of Transportation rules and keep proper driver qualification records. That's where this blueprint comes in. The non-CDL trucking blueprint is a step-by-step guide designed to help you build a profitable logistics or delivery business without a CDL. Inside, you'll find real cost breakdowns of cargo vans versus box trucks, including the pros and cons of each. Compliance guidance on FMCSA and DOT regulations, plus practice tests to help you understand federal rules. Creative income strategies tailored to non-CDL operations, so you're not limited to just one type of freight. An explanation of why your DOT and MC numbers matter to brokers and shippers, and how they affect your revenue. Honest insight into DEF system volatility in box trucks and how to manage it. The ebook also comes with a bonus, the Enterprise Trucking Suite, a customizable spreadsheet suite that includes auto formulas, editable input fields, a global drop-down manager and dashboards for key performance indicators. It covers core modules like a load board, driver payroll, fuel tracking, inventory, fleet maintenance, accounting and a compliance calendar. All designed to help you stay organized from day one. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur, a side hustler or someone who just wants to be their own boss, this guide can save you months of trial and error. We'll be unpacking some of these topics in more detail in upcoming videos. So if you're curious about launching a logistics business without a CDL, make sure to check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.